Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make an MCAT study schedule. First, you need to thoroughly understand the MCAT structure and the specific content areas it covers. Next, honestly assess your current knowledge base to identify any subjects where you might be weaker. Finally, determine the total amount of dedicated study time you have available before your target exam date. This foundational work is crucial for building an effective plan. Once you have your foundation, begin allocating specific daily blocks for both content review and dedicated practice. It's essential to integrate daily practice questions into your routine, along with weekly full-length practice exams to simulate test conditions. Prioritize high-yield topics, focusing your efforts where they will have the greatest impact on your score. This structured approach ensures comprehensive coverage and consistent skill development. To maximize your study efficiency, actively employ techniques like active recall and spaced repetition. These are powerful for long-term retention. Always take the time to thoroughly review any incorrect answers from practice questions, understanding why you made the mistake. Remember to incorporate short, regular breaks into your study sessions. This helps maintain focus, prevents burnout, and keeps your mind fresh for optimal learning. Finally, regularly evaluate your progress and be prepared to adjust your schedule as needed. Flexibility is key. Consistency is paramount, so commit to your study plan even when motivation wanes. Remember to check the description for a link to the new Kindle Paperwhite and other great deals to help you read anywhere. Staying disciplined and adaptable will significantly increase your chances of MCAT success. You've got this.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.